Today I'm going to tell you how to do morphing. There is a software called Sqirlz Morph. With this software I'm going to do morphing. So I'll first show you what are the names of the icons. This is called add control point. This is move control point. This is delete control point. This is auto switch add move. This is fixed boundary. I'll show you what it will do. This is called title until Windows. Now I'm going to image file. This is called image file. Now I'm going to choose some pictures. So I'm taking Pringles. Open. So it has opened if you want. So I have clicked there so you can see this. Now I can move this like that and like that. So no need of that. So it's so much place are there where still I'm doing. Now I'm going to another. Now I'm going to take another. Now I have to click this add control point. So now I'll put dots over here. Now I have finished putting dots over here in the outline. If you want, you can do this inside, but I'm not doing. Now I'll just show you this. This is if you put it here and this is not for you here, it's not nice. So you can take this and drag it here. Here nothing will happen, but just do that. Now I'm finished. Now I'll run. If you so it's running. Now you have to put 60. Now give OK. Now you can see here. Now if you don't know, go to example and go to how to morph. So there are steps. If you don't understand steps for morphing, load 2 or more image files. 3 are shown to the right. Add control points to any important features on one of the images. Move the control point on the other images to features which match those of the first image. Run the morph animation. So you can see now I want to save it. So I'm going to ABI and I'm saving it as Pringles. Save. Now I'm going to put 80. Giving OK. Okay, now now I'll show you. Now I'm going to play it for you. It's so fast. I'll just show you in slow motion. That's all. I can show you more also. I'll show you. Now I'll show you lace. Now it has finished. I can show you more. Now I'll play it. And another. Now I'll show you chocolate. I'll show you in slow motion. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button. I'll give the Sqirlz Morph link in the description. Thank you friends. Bye bye.